guys, Anime Atlas here. Just came out with a new unboxing video here for you. My Rightstuf package came in, so let's get her open and see what we got. See if I can accomplish it. Almost had it too. There we go. Oh, that was easy. Alright, so let's get all the small stuff out of the way here first. I think that's it. Cool. Awesome. Alright, so first we are going to look at, oh, it looks like we have a brand new catalog. That's my receipt. Yeah, I just got bent during shipping, but not to worry. I'm going to toss it. I think that's already out now, but I'm not entirely sure. Alright, anyways. Oh wait, hang on. My mistake. That's the dog running in the background. I'm really enjoying these catalogs. Alright, so first we got Hellsing Ultimate DVD Blu-ray combo pack, which includes, well, this is volume 3, which has episode 9 and 10 of the OVA, so let's open it. And let me get the key here. I've watched like a couple of episodes of it on YouTube and watched the abridged, which was great. So if you guys hear any noises, I do apologize because my dog is barking in the background. Yeah, that's one. Let's see what we got here. Alright, alright. Cool. Alright. There we go. Let me get box and we'll put this back in. Yeah, I know, I'm sorry, I'm not that perfect on doing this. There we go. I kind of wish that the case was red instead of blue, so that'll be pretty cool. Alright guys, let me go at the animal and I'll be right back. Okay. Next is Heaven's Memo Pad. I do apologize for the glare and stuff. But you know what they say, things come and go. So let's cut her open and see what we get. There you are. I don't know, maybe I should do another tactic of unboxing stuff. to worry. Alright, that's 2 down. Here it is. There goes 1 disc. She was trying to break herself free. Oh, son of a gun. Hang on. There we go. Well, that's anime for you. Things come and things break. Looking forward to watching this series. It's done by Sentai Filmworks. Alright. Now, the last item that I got was the most expensive out of all 3 of these. Which is always great. That's the Sword Art Online Set 1. And I'll make this quick because the battery on my camera is going to die. Which would suck. I'm going to try to rip this open the best way I can. God, I am not doing so good on this one. There we go. There we go. Now we can get it open. So this set was the most expensive. So this is set 1. I'm going to buy them individually per order. There we go. Oh, wow. There we go. Now she's back in place. Alright, so this is set 1, which contains the back imagery. Ah, there we go. Everything just comes out at once. Alright, so here's the first set. Which has the 2 discs. And this would be all right. That's Sentai for you. Not Sentai. Aniplex of America. Which includes the background. That's cool. Alright, well, that's about everything. No, this is the illustration booklet. So, and one more thing that we got are these SAO postcards, which I'm not going to open up. I'm going to keep these sealed for a long time. So yeah. Alright guys, that's about it. So I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.